This is Madison College Writing Center's 2-Minute Tutors. I'm Kate Stover.
I'm Suzanne Triber, and today we will answer the question, what is a comma splice and how do you fix it?
In about 2 minutes, we'll talk about the most important ideas.
Yeah, I agree with that, Kate. Let's look at the basic definition of a comma splice. A comma splice is when a comma incorrectly joins two sentences.
Okay, but Suzanne, what's a sentence?
Sure, a sentence needs to pass two tests. It has to have a subject that does something, and it has to express a complete thought. But when it comes to a comma splice, the problem is you have two sentences that pass these tests, but they're joined by a comma. The comma is the problem.
Okay, so let's clarify what you just said by using an example. I studied for 3 hours is a sentence, and the test was difficult is a sentence. The problem is they are joined by a comma.
That's exactly right. You can't join them with a comma. So, Kate, how do we fix this comma splice?
Well, Suzanne, there are many ways to fix comma splices. Let's look at the 3 most common ones.
I like it.
The quickest fix is to simply change the comma to a period, like you see here, or a semicolon, like you see here.
Another way to fix the sentence is, after the comma, you can use a word to join the two sentences. Here is a specific group of words.
Yeah, they're called coordinating conjunctions. If you list them like this, you can see that their first letters spell the word fanboys.
Actually, that makes the list easier to remember.
That's the only way I can remember them.
All right, well, let's take some time to practice. Take a look at the comma splice on your screen. Now, pause this video and rewrite it. Remember, you have at least 3 options.
Okay, the first way is to replace the comma with a period, making 2 completely separate sentences, like you see in the first option.
The second way is to replace the comma with a semicolon, like you see in this second statement.
Another option is to insert one of the fanboys words. In this sentence, the writer chose to connect the words with but. I found 3 sources for my research paper, but the assignment requires 5 sources.
Actually, I like that choice the best, Kate.
Thanks.
So would you like to talk more about how to fix comma splices? Why not meet with a tutor at your nearest writing center?
We'd be delighted to answer questions like these and all types of questions about writing.
Well, it looks like our work is done here, Kate.
Right on, Suzanne.
Right on, Kate, and thank you all for joining us.